World Goodbye. Hey, everybody, I'm Jeff Stice, and I got some more ideas I want to share with you for the piano. You can take and learn this arrangement of Goodbye World Goodbye. That was the first half of it. The second half we'll do on another set of ideas, but for our purposes today, that's Goodbye World Goodbye. And like I said, the chords, the movements, the rhythmic patterns that I did, they work on a lot of different songs. So we're going to go through this and try to break it down, and hopefully you'll have a new arrangement of a piano solo that you're welcome to use anytime you want to. So let's jump right into this. The introduction is pretty much a standard Southern gospel type intro. I'm going to talk in numbers as well as letters today, so that for those of you who only read numbers, you'll understand what's going on, and for those of you who only read letters, you'll know what's going on as well. We're in the key of C. Okay, so what we do, the intro starts on a 2-7-9 chord or a D7-9. Sometimes you say D9 and it's assumed that the 7's already in there. I like to clarify that. So I add the 7 and the 9. The D will be in your left hand. F sharp, A, C, E. Okay. Very simple intro. G13 or a 513, C or 1 chord, 6 flat or an A flat chord, G7 or a 5-7. Okay? Now, I say it's a standard intro. You can use it on a lot of different songs. I'll Fly Away. Just one thing, Meeting in the Air. Lots of different ways that you can use that intro. Again, D7-9, G, C, 6 flat, 5. Okay, up to that point, here's what I'm doing. The left hand is kind of based off the old technique octave chord. What I'm doing instead of octave, I'm hitting a single note. I like to keep everything as close together as I can with my hands. It all sounds uniform. And so the chord I'm doing with my left hand, when Mosey Lister wrote this song, he pretty much kept everything in a... he used the seventh chords a lot. C7, F7, G7, A7, D7, E7. They're all in this song. If you'll go back and look at the old sheet music that he had on it, you'll see that is, in fact, the way he wrote it. But what I'm doing in my left hand, so that I can have that sound, is I'm hitting a first inversion of a C7 chord. Here's the root position. C, E, G, B flat. And all I'm doing is I'm going to change it from that to E. I'm going to take what's on the bottom and put it on top. E, G, B flat, C. So I'm going to alternate with my little finger on E to the remaining 3 notes, G, B flat, C. Everything is moving by so fast on this song. That's a clean way to play this particular type of rhythm. So we start off with C7 in this position. Then get to the F, I'm alternating my little finger with A and C. I already have the 7th in my right hand in the melody. Okay, so. So when I get to G, I'm going to alternate with an inversion of this G chord. I'm going to go hitting the first half of the G with my little finger, the second half, B and D, with my 3rd and 5th finger, or 3rd and or 1st finger, thumb. But I'm going to alternate with a second inversion of G. Okay. So, from the beginning, okay? Now, up to there. When we land on that G, here's what we're going to do. We're going to do something that's kind of neat, kind of fun. But we're going to take a broken chord, G chord, or an arpeggio, and we're going to invert it. Okay? Then off to the left shoulder of each one of these notes, G, B, and D, we're going to use G flat, B flat, D flat, G flat. We're going to hit it and then do the arpeggio. See how I'm doing the end? G, B, G. Okay? So, and then I'm ready to go back into the second half of the song. That's why we're doing this last lick, the G, B, G. So, same thing again. Okay, I suggest when you get to that point, just stop abruptly, because what's happening is we're going to take and use a left-hand rhythm technique that I got from Flight of the Bumblebee. It's called Bumblebee Boogie. It was a variation done on that song years ago. And what they've done is they've taken this pattern. Okay, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So there's a total of 8 notes in this pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A, C, D, E flat, E, E, E. Okay, we're doing it in A minor. Okay, what have we done? Well, we've taken and gone from this song in its happy version, if you will, and we've gone to the relative minor of C, which is A minor. So we're taking the melody and we're changing it into a minor feel. It darkens it a little bit, and it's kind of fun, you know. So instead of going, we're going to come down a third because that's where A is from C. The melody starts on the G. So instead of starting on G, we're going to start on E. All right. So A minor, E major with the 7th added, then we'll go back to the major chord right there. But for our purposes right here, we're going to go. Okay, so doing it fast. All right. It's actually harder to do slower. So then when we get to there, we've done this part. So what did I do? We got out of this pattern, but we want to keep that feel going, that kind of boogie in the left hand kind of thing that they've got going, the boogie woogie type thing, a variation of it. So for the entire left hand, we're going. There's the first half of Goodbye Roll Goodbye with a little twist on it, if you will. Hey, I enjoy doing this, and I enjoy sharing ideas with you. I would love for you to comment on the video. Send me your thoughts. I have an email address if you'd like to get in touch with me. It's sticemusic@gmail.com, all lowercase. And look for me out there. I do piano concerts all over the country, and I enjoy sharing my music as well as a little bit of who I am, and especially on these piano ideas. And thanks for watching. Hope you got something out of this.